Here I have SEATEL L4, and let me show you how to enable here power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly enable power saving, let's use upper bar twice, and here let's tap on the battery icon. So here we've got the battery usage, and if you would like to enable power saving battery saver, let's use this switcher, and the battery saver is activated. You can see the following stripe right here. If you would like to disable or, for example, set up the battery saver, let's hold down on battery for a few seconds and the battery settings should pop up. Here you can read a few information about your battery saver, and you can here also tap more to open battery optimization, and if you would like to open the battery saver settings, let's tap right here on battery saver. Here you can also enable or disable the battery saver. You can turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery, and you can read the information about this mode. So to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device's performance and limits vibrations, location services and most background data. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.